Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily disable active status in Instagram app. Dear friends, please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also write your comments. So let us get started with you. So you can turn off your active status. Open the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your account. Now on the top right, click on the three bars. Now scroll down a little bit and go to this option here. Next, select See Active Status and just click on this button here so you can quickly and easily turn it off. Dear friends, this is the very quick and very simple method you will be able to turn off the active status in Instagram on your device. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget, dear friends, to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.